Cleaning the Wisp mask and tubing before the first use and every day is a very important part of mask maintenance. The mask can be disassembled for easy cleaning. Squeeze the quick release tabs and pull the elbow away from the cushion. Now push the cushion backwards and peel it from the frame. Wash the mask parts and disconnected tubing in warm water with liquid dishwashing detergent. Do not use soap with conditioners or moisturizers. Do not use bleach, alcohol, or cleaning solutions containing bleach or alcohol. Rinse thoroughly with water and air dry out of direct sunlight. Be sure the mask and tubing are dry before use. Some people wash the tubing during their morning shower and then hang it in the shower to dry. The headgear does not need to be removed for daily cleaning. However, it should be washed weekly or as needed. It can be washed by hand in warm soapy water. Lay the headgear flat or line dry. Do not place it in the dryer. If your mask and tubing still contain moisture when you're ready to use them at night, connect them to your PAP device and blow the water out before you put the mask on. Be sure to inspect your mask and tubing for damage or wear, such as cracking or tears. Discard and replace any parts as necessary. To reassemble your mask, follow these steps. Wisp has a unique reversible fabric frame, which lets you choose the fabric that feels most comfortable against your skin. Place the frame over the cushion and press it into place. The bottom of the cushion will match the alignment cutouts of the mask frame. To attach the headgear, hold the crown strap upward. Make sure the wide strap marked Phillips Respironics faces outward. Slide the headgear tabs into the slots on the longer frame arms. Connect the straps to the frame. Push the elbow into the cushion until the quick release tabs click into place.